Punta kami dito sa New Cafe sa Jersey City. Kaso paikot-ikot na kami, walang parking. Hi Kuya!
Actually, first time lang natin kumain dito sa downtown.
Hindi naman talaga kami
Hindi
pumupunta
talaga
dito.
kami pala downtown na.
Nada-downtown lang kami nung may check up ako palagi kay Terence. Itong downtown para siyang BGC Makati style. Ano dati?
Parang gano'n.
Ang daming establishments. Tapos ang dami ding international students. Mostly Chinese and Koreans. Bakit pala? Kuya!
Want try? Small bite only. Go. Small bite. Go. Bite.
Matigas.
Tumata ko yung stand na.
Oh no. Okay. Ay, ka napkin, Daddy.
Yun yung ka-date ko. Right. Ang ganda ng ka-date ko. Yun, no?
Let me make it small.
Okay, say hi. Say hi first. Hi.
Hi.
Family date, right? A family date in downtown. Ganda naman ng ganda ng asawa ko.
This one got pistachio inside. You wanna try this?
What's the more?
Sing it, Daddy, sing it.
We singing there's some music, right? Can you do it?
Why is this? Whoa.
Maybe you can.
There's a lot of books.
Oh, Aladdin?
There's more there, Daddy. Tingnan mo yung patay din.
Oh, that is fine.
We're gonna find you a book.
Need to find the right bookstore.
Ay, pauwi na kami. Basta nice day. Yung sarap-sarap ng pagkain.
Enjoy.
Mga floji. Floji, ano eh? Mga kanji lang.
Nagustuhan ni Kuya Das yung
Yan,
yung
chicken
food.
parmigiana. Akala ko, yung pag sinabi mong chicken parmigiana, ay yung yung
Pasta.
pasta na. Meron pa pala nun yung parang parang tinapay.
Sarap, solid.
Pero okay din naman kahit tinapay na pabigay sa
Parang
atin.
ganun din yung lasa.
Oo. Pinagkakaroon na sila nila, siyempre yung pasta yung isa.
Parang siyang pizza na ginawang bread na nakapatong. Sarap,
Sarap.
solid.
Hindi ko nga lang nakain ng maayos kasi dito si Terence. So nakaharang yung ulo niya. Sa yung malinggit na yan. Ayun.
Saan nakisama si Baby Terence? Hindi siya umiyak.
Hindi yun, siya, ungot-ungot. Gusto niya na ganun-ganun. Nagbaback and forth ako.
Gumagalaw. Nag-walking. Pag nag-walking, hindi siya nagagalit.
Yeah. Tapos, yan. Nagtingin din kami ng books kanina. Thank you, Daddy.
Oh,
You paid for the date.
lang. Talks lang. Hindi
Pero
naman
ako
tayo.
mukha akong ewan.
Ang ganda mo nga eh. Ganda ng date ko eh. Ganda ng date ko.
No? Oh, Floji?
Ang gano'n?
going, kuya? Come here. One more? Here. Lugi ka?
Strawberry yogurt. Dapat kay Kuya Dos to eh. Ayaw niya.
Siya ba matcha? This is matcha. May matcha. Matcha.
Hello guys. Magwo-walking kami ngayon. It's my day off. Magwo-walking kami ng family. So meron kami pupuntahan na pinakamalapit na playground dito. Siguro mga 10 minutes walk, right? 10 minutes walk.
Hold it, Daddy, hold it.
What do you want?
You want mommy to hold your ball?
I will hold it.
Hold it. That's his dinosaur ball.
Hold Daddy sand too.
I want daddy hold.
Let me hold the ball. Because he wants to hold your hand.
You hold this one.
I drink water.
Yan. Ayaw kasi madala ng stroller. Sana marami
Ah.
tayo lalagyan.
10 a.m. dito ngayon. 10 a.m. ng umaga.
Para magkain.
Hindi siya ganun kainit. Yung araw di pa masakit sa balat. Tapos pares yung hangin malamig-lamig.
Itong baby, itong front facing.
Ayan na. First time namin itry
Matibay na yung kanyang leg.
front face stera. Ayan, si Kuya Dos. Nakap yan.
I think he's about to fall asleep, Daddy.
You think?
Yeah. He likes the outdoors.
Yeah. Sounds like outdoors, right?
Oh, I told you, it's open. See? So, it means the little guy is going to play. Go, Dos. Come on.
Nasa playground na kami. Dito si Kuya Das. Kuya Das, come here. Say hi. Come here. Say hi to your vlog.
Hi.
Hi. Where are you? Where are you? Show them where you are. Are you in the
Pop.
park and what's here? Playground. Go play, Kuya. Go play. Bukas nga yung water eh. Buti nakikinig na siya pag sinabi mong don't go in the water. Hindi naman siya naglalaro doon. Kiss your brother first.
Ay, ay, ay. Where's the little one? Bulaga. Yeah, Daddy's carrying her now.
Kuya Das, go play with the swing. Go play with her. Sit down on the other swing.
Oh, nakatamaan. Nakatamaan yan, Daddy. He doesn't know how to play swing, Daddy. Hi, pauwi na kami.
Na.
Tulog na ang baby at ito ay nakapaglaro. Say hi, ah.
Hi.
Hi. Bye-bye.
Nakahanap naman siya ng playmate. Naglaro sila ng swing.
Swing. Pilipina din.
Kasi itong maliit na bata ay nag-sleep.
Hi, guys!
Hi guys.
We're going to open my swimming pool.
I'm going my sample. Think about my sample. I like that.
What's this? This is the
Sample.
shade. This is the shade, baby. It's a
Hi.
shade.
Yung hindi madula.
Wow, hello.
That's excited.
Excited.
You like your swimming pool?
Bobby, it can send the screen. I know where it's way to be.
It's so pretty, Kuya. You look so great.
Thank you, Owen. Let's go hide, Daddy. Let's go hide. Let's
Hide,
go hide, Daddy.
Let's go in the bedroom. Yeah, we're gonna pick up some swimming attire. That way we can change your clothes. Come here. Wow, you going swimming?
You ready?
Go.
I'll go inside. Come on.
Come on, wow.
Oh, go inside. Go inside. Go in there. Go, go, go play. Ooh.
Wow. You like it?
Where are we going? The statue. The statue. See over there? See that?
Dito kami ngayon sa Liberty Island. Kasama ko ang dalawang baby. Where do you wanna go? Where? In the park? Let's go. I think it's going to rain. Or do you want to go inside the museum? That museum? What's that? What's that? A boat? Yeah. It's a boat. Here.
Oh, that was never
Davis Street.
You're coming to a country where you want to make success.
It's a sword! Ito yung structure ng statue. But if you look sa likod, you're gonna see kung ano pang meron sa loob niya. So, itong lower part is the pedestal. May tickets hanggang dyan lang sa paa. Tapos, ito na yung paakit ng crown, which is a spiral staircase na walang ventilation, kundi yung crown. You hold my hand? Look! These are the designs of the pedestal, baby. Look. It was changed a lot of times due to funding issues. So this is how big the actual foot of the statue is. Yeah. You wanna touch it? Touch it! Touch it! Oh yeah! It's a foot, baby! It's a foot! Huh? It's a foot, baby! A foot! The statue? Hi!
Want to see the front of the statue? Alright.
Parang hindi kami aabot sa boat ah. It's leaving in 6 minutes. Zero cost gala.
Zero cost.
Baba yan.
Say zero cost. Zero
Zero?
cost.
Cost.
Zero cost.
Free drink.
Free souvenir.
Uwi na kami.
Aming biglang gala.
Bigla ang gala. So, punta kami ng park.
Yeah.
Ano lang sana, like, ano lang, mag-walking na yung mga bata. Something like that.
Mhm.
Tapos, since nandun din yung office niya dati, doon siya nag-work. So, she come to say hello.
Naghilaw lang ako sa mga office ko. Pero wala din yung supervisor ko. Ano, dumating yung Filipino cover. Sabi ko, hindi na si Ian. Sabi ko, oh, is he not inside? Sabi ko, wala tao doon, yung bagong guy lang yun nandun. Sabi niya, I'll see what I can do. Nakalagin naman yung ano ko doon, yung supervisor ko. So, binigyan ako ng free ticket.